Welcome everyone in the 9 plus CGPA MCQ series, and in this particular video we will see the MCQs of biodiversity and conservation, which is actually your unit number 3. And I hope you guys have already watched the videos of unit number 1 and 2, and the PYQs I have already uploaded. Make sure to watch the videos, those videos. You will find the link of those videos in the description box also. Now for this video, the question number 1 is just a minute. Question number 1 is, what is the three level of biological diversity? Genetic, species and ecosystem diversity, animal, plant and microbial diversity, terrestrial, aquatic and aerial diversity, and last option is morphological, psychological and behavioral diversity. Correct option is option number A. Genetic, species and ecosystem diversity are the three levels of biological diversity. Next question is, biodiversity hotspot are areas that, option C is correct, biodiversity hotspot are area that supports high level of endemic species and are under threat. Next question is, which of the following is not a biodiversity service provided? Service provided by the ecosystem. Option D is correct, industrial value is not a biodiversity service provided by an ecosystem. Next one, the ecological value of biodiversity includes providing raw materials for industries, regulating climate and air quality, enhancing economic growth and generating revenues through tourism. Option B will be correct. The ecological values of biodiversity includes regulating climate and air quality. Next question is, habitat loss is a major threat to biodiversity and is primarily caused by conservation efforts, urbanization and deforestation, climate change and wildlife poaching. Correct option is option number B, urbanization and deforestation. Next one, poaching of wildlife refers to, very fundamental question, poaching of wildlife refers to illegal hunting and killing of animals. Option B is correct. Illegal hunting and killing of animals is known as poaching. Next one, biological invention can lead to biodiversity loss by, option A, enhancing ecosystem resilience, option B, introducing new species that outcompete native species. Option B is the correct. Next one, endangered species are those that faces a high risk of existence in the life. Option B will be correct. Next one, in-situ conservation refers to the conservation of biodiversity within the natural habitat. Now see the question carefully. In-situ conservation means conservation of biodiversity within the natural habitat. Within the natural habitat, then in-situ conservation will be there. Now the question is about ex-situ conservation. So ex-situ conservation means conservation measures outside the natural habitat, such as captive breeding. Option C will be correct here. Next question is, India is considered a mega diversity nation because it has a large human population? No. It has a high rate of urbanization? No. It supports a vast array of species and ecosystem? Yeah. For this, India is considered a mega diversity nation. Option C is correct here. Next question is, which of the following is not one of the biogeographic zones of India? Himalayas, Western Ghat, Great Barrier Reef, Indo-Gangetic Plains. Option C will be correct here. Great Barrier Reef is not one of the biogeographic zone of India. Next question is, which of the following statements about endemic species is true? So for the endemic species, they have a limited geographic range. Option B will be correct here. Next one, the primary goal of biodiversity conservation is to, ensure the long-term survival of a species and ecosystem. Option D is correct here. Next question is, which of the following is an example of ecosystem service provided by biodiversity? Option is regulation of climate, construction of buildings, production of consumers goods, and last option is transportation of goods. All the three options are correct. Option A will be correct here. Regulation of climate. Next one, the economic value of biodiversity includes option A, providing habitat for lives, supporting agriculture productivity, enhancing cultural diversity. Last option is promoting recreational activities. Correct option is recreational activities. Correct option is option number B, supporting agriculture productivity is the economic value of biodiversity. Next one, which of the following is not a threat to biodiversity? Habitat conservation is not a threat to biodiversity. All others are the threat to biodiversity. So option B will be correct here, habitat conservation. Next question is, which of the following is an example of biodiversity hotspot of India? Very important question. This question is also asked in the last semester exam. Western Ghats is an example of biodiversity hotspot in India. Keep remember in mind. Correct option is option number B. Western Ghats is an example of biodiversity hotspot in India. Next question is, what term describes the variety of genes within a species? You will, if you read the question carefully, you will get the answer. Genetic diversity describes the variety of genes within a species. Next question is, which of the following is not a value associated with biodiversity? Ecological value, political value, economic value, or aesthetic value? Correct option is option number B. Political value is not a value associated with biodiversity. Next question is, which of the following is an example of ex-situ conservation? Now the example of ex-situ conservation, go and search the example of in-situ conservation. I have not included that questions in the video. Correct option is option number C. Botanical garden is an example of ex-situ conservation. Although wildlife sanctuaries and national parks are an example of in-situ conservation, although if you want, you can go and search the example of in-situ conservation also. Question can be formed on that part also. Next question is, which of the following biogeographic zones of India is characterized by high mountain range and alpine vegetation? Option is Western Ghat, Himalayas, Eastern Ghat, Deccan Plateau. Correct option is option number B. Himalayas is characterized by high mountain range and alpine vegetation. Sorry. Next one, which of the following is not a threat to marine biodiversity? Now, deforestation is not a threat to marine biodiversity. Option C will be correct here. Next one, which of the following biogeographic zones of India is characterized by dense forest and high rainfall? Correct option is option number A. Western Ghat. Western Ghat is also the biodiversity hotspot in India, and Western Ghats is the biogeographic zones of India that is characterized by your dense forest and high rainfall. So keep remember these points in your minds. And this was the last question of this video. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Bye bye.